Are you trying to choose between Turbotax and H&R Block? You are not alone. Many people find it hard to decide which tax software to use. In this video, we will compare these two popular options. Both TurboTax and H&R Block help you prepare and file your taxes. They offer user-friendly interfaces and aim to make tax season less stressful. But how do they really stack up against each other? Let's start with TurboTax. It's known for its intuitive design. Many users appreciate the step-by-step guidance it provides. TurboTax also offers a robust mobile app, making it easy to file taxes on the go. Plus, it has a wide range of resources like tax calculators and live support. Now, let's look at H and R Block. This software is often praised for its affordability. It also has in-person support at their physical locations, which can be a big help if you need extra assistance. H and R Block's interface is straightforward and it also offers a solid mobile app for convenience. So, what are the main differences? TurboTax generally has more features, especially for complex tax situations. H&R Block, on the other hand, is often cheaper and provides access to tax professionals in person. When it comes to features, TurboTax shines with its extensive help, articles, and live chat options. H&R Block is competitive too with good customer support and easy navigation. In terms of pricing, TurboTax tends to be on the pricier side while H&R Block offers more budget-friendly plans. In the end, if you want a powerful tool with lots of features, TurboTax might be the right choice for you. But if you are looking for a cost-effective solution with personal support, H&R Block could be a better fit. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and reviews.